Hello, welcome back. It's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. And I thank you for all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank y'all for staying with your girl, hanging in here with me. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So I did a video showing y'all that I was going to be spray painting a vinegar bottle. And behind me is my vinegar bottle. I had two on hand, and I did mention that I was going to be helping my niece decorate her home. So I wanted to spray paint these vases instead of her going out and finding, because she likes black colors as well, just like her Annie. It is what it is. And so I decided to paint these vases, these vinegar bottles, and turn them into home decor. Free. Well, after you use all your vinegar up. Anyways, I thought it came out really cute. Also, I painted her the black shelving that came off a dresser that we had. So this was a dresser drawer, you can see. These are going in her guest bathroom downstairs. So I'm going to place these on her wall like so, and I'm just demonstrating how I want to decorate them. I did paint two of them, y'all. So here's the book that I found for free. And I took the cover off, and I'm just gonna place it on the shelf. I'm just imagining how it will look when I get ready to go over there and put this stuff on her walls. We do got to get some brackets to hang these shelves up. So this is my thought, to have the book, we have a plant. Also, we're gonna put the vases here. That is so cute. And then on the second one, I did add this piece that I'm giving her. This was what I found for free. So we're gonna have that on the top shelf, maybe. And then I'm just putting them in a little bowl. I'm just showing y'all how it would look decorated, because I really don't know what I'm gonna put on the shelf, because I gotta see what she has over there. But this is just a little idea of what the shelf will look like in the bathroom, decorated. Aren't they cute? I can't wait. So I gotta see what she has over there. But I know the bottles and the shelving and the gold spike in the book is going in her, because these are the same colors that she's working with as well. So I think that is so freaking cute. So I'm excited to get that done, and I'll show y'all exactly what pieces we find to use in her space over there. The bake. So cute. Look at that. I just have to bring this back up. I just love it. I just love. And I can't wait to go play around. And all I'm going to do is keep playing around with pieces just to see what's going to look good. I love that look right there. I need to put this in my bathroom. I think I got shelves in my bathroom, but that would be so cute to decorate a space like that. So all this stuff I found for free, y'all. I found this little bowl. It's so cute. Originally from Home Goods. I found this little beaded, whatever this is, beads for free as well. And I got a set of these marble. Hold on, let me set this down. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, y'all. Alright, sorry about that. I wanted to show y'all these beautiful marbled coasters that was still brand new in the pack that I found when I was out treasure hunting years ago. Look at that. I don't know if that light isn't going to pick up. But they are so cute. I don't know where they're from. I forgot, because I took the paper off. So I can't remember where they came from. But they never used them. They're so cute. So I don't use them either. I just use them as decor. Put them in a space. But, you know, you can do many of things with this stuff. Just wanted to show y'all that really quick. Now I'm about to show y'all the picture that is done drying down here in the lamp. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Again, if y'all made it through the end of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, which is right now, go over and check out my video so we can see how this painting came out, right? Let's go, y'all.